Let's make sweet, flavorful vegan teriyaki sauce. No honey required. You only need a handful of simple ingredients to make it, and it only takes a few minutes to cook up on the stovetop. Let's do it! In a cold pan, mix together the cornstarch and water, and then add all the remaining sauce ingredients. Whisk those together and then bring it to a boil until you start to see the bubbles start to slow down and get bigger. That's how you'll know the sauce is thickened and it's time to set it aside to cool. Once the sauce is cooled down, you are ready to slather it on all of the food. How will you use your vegan teriyaki sauce? I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make teriyaki sauce from scratch. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!